is up here?
Come over here to see what I have.
Look at that. That is a road apple. That's a road apple, and it's fresh. Ew, look at it. It's fresh. Fresh road apple. You think they were spying you out?
Sure, they come up here and stop to see what was on the trailer. Plus, I wanted to see why it was leaning.
Oh, it is leaning, isn't it? You pointed that out the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I mean, it was right there. The evidence is right there. That's funny, Stephen. Obviously, the proof is the Mennonites were spying on you. Oh, they're not allowed to have wire.
It carries electricity.
Oh, and that's why they were curious.
Look, they're carrying sin.
Yeah, but the proof is right there that the Mennonites were spying on you. The proof was right there. The big old road apple.
That's all right.
So this is Monday, February 20th. It's President's Day. Now, I did tell AJ I was coming down to the trailer. So a smoked harp is really very fragile and thin. Oh, here comes the Mennonites right now. Look at that. I wonder if that was the guilty culprit.
Who cares? They can look all they want. We be looking at them and they be looking at us. Bunch of looky lures. You looky lures?
They just have such a different...
I saw you looking at me.
They have such a different lifestyle, don't they?
Yeah, they crap all over the road. Get it all over my vehicles. And then smile when they go by. Driving my crap. I'm out of here.
I love you.
You too. Bye-bye.
See you in a couple hours. Hey, look how close you are to that. You're awfully close to that.
Yeah, pollution.
Yeah. Love you.
Couple hours.
Hey. Yeah, I warned you about it. Let's go see his tire tracks. Aw, Steven. Look at that. Ran right through it.